All right, subtracting with mixed numbers. Again, I'm going to start with this first step. The first step is what? I'm going to look and say, well, my denominators do not match, so I need to do my multiples. Multiples of 8 and 2. So I'm going to go 8, 16, 24, and then I go to the next number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ooh, there's my number that they have in common. I'm going to circle it. So this is going to be my least common denominator. Now here I already have an 8, so do I need to mess with this number here? No, I'm going to leave it alone. The only number that I'm changing is the 1 1/2. So the 1 1/2, I have to make this into an 8. To do that, I have to multiply. I'm going to make it into a equivalent fraction. So what would I need to multiply 2 by to get to 8? Well, here I know 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 4 is 8, because that's what I did right here. So 4, whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 1 times 4 is 4. So 1 4/8 is equivalent to 1 1/2. Now I can subtract. So I'm going to put my 4 1/8 over the top to subtract. Now, I cannot subtract 4 from 1. If I have 1, I can't break it apart, right, into 4 pieces. So I'm going to have to borrow, like we do when we subtract before. We're going to regroup. So I'm going to come over here, cross off the 4. The 4 becomes a 3. So I'm borrowing 1. But I'm not really borrowing 1 because I can't bring 1 over here as a whole number over here to this side because this is a fraction. So I'm going to bring over 8 8s. And the reason why I'm picking 8 is because my bottom number here is 8. And anytime my numerator and denominator match, it's equal to the whole number of 1. So this is actually 1 whole, right? But I can't bring it over like that because this is fractions. So I got to bring over as a fraction. So I'm going to bring it over as 8 8s. I'm going to add it together, and I end up with 9 8s. Now I can subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. My denominator stays the same, so it's still just going to be 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. And my answer is 2 5/8. Now remember, we talked about how I'm not going to be able to put this on the bubble. I'm not going to be able to put this on my testing sheet like this because I have to put it in as an improper fraction. So I'm going to change this to an improper fraction. To change this into an improper fraction, I'm just going to pull out those whole numbers. I'm going to make them into fraction form. So I know this is a whole number of 2, and that 8 8s and 8 8s would give me the whole number of 2, right? And again, I'm picking 8 because that is my denominator. Then I'm just going to add 5 8s to that. So here, 8 8s, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 5 is 21, and then my denominator stays the same. So it would be 21 8s. So this mixed number, 2 5/8, is equivalent to the improper fraction of 21 8s.